The corridors of justice could soon play host to a legal face-off pitting devolution cabinet secretary Anne Waiguru and opposition chief Raila Odinga. Through her lawyer Mohamed Nyaoga, Waiguru has cited Odinga for defamation in statements he made on the 17th of July 2015 at his Upper Hill office linking her to corruption in the National Youth Service. Waiguru wants a formal apology from Odinga within 7 days and an admission of liability on his part and a commitment to pay damages, or else she sues him for defamation. She is also demanding an undertaking from the court leader that he will not make further statements that would be deemed defamatory to her. Waiguru has been in the eye of a storm following her admission last week that the National Youth Service lost 791 million shillings through fraudulent deals. In the demand letter, she insists Odinga's statement in June was extremely malicious and damaging to her reputation as a public officer and portrayed her as a common thief, an embezzler of public funds, corrupt in the extreme, and a flagrant law breaker. But the former Prime Minister, through his legal advisor Paul Mwangi, dismissed Waiguru's apology demand and dared her to sue him. Odinga says a lawsuit filed by Waiguru would avail her an opportunity to explain to Kenyans the shenanigans that have been reported in relation to the National Youth Service accounts and the government payment system, the Integrated Financial Management System, IFMIS.
Milioni 800 imeibwa. Na mimi nilisema ati huyo bwana Waiguru jina yake ilikuwa katika ile list of shame ambayo Uhuru alipeleka kule bungeni. Lakini Uhuru alitoa jina yake kabla hajapeleka hiyo list kule. Maana yake walikuwa wameiba zaidi ya shilingi bilioni 1. Mimi nimesema kama anasema nimesema muongo, wanipeleka kotini.
Odinga insists a case filed by Waiguru would provide her an opportunity to explain to Kenyans how and why she was receiving preferential treatment from President Uhuru Kenyatta on matters of corruption, unlike her cabinet colleagues. But Jubilee coalition lawmakers have defended the CS, accusing Odinga and her other critics of witch hunt.
And we will not allow politicians, whether in the name of fighting Anne Waiguru, whether in the name of fighting the Jubilee government, to trample on the young people of this country that they failed to help when they were in power themselves.
Nataka wale ambao wanafanyia president wetu kazi waachiliwe wafanye kazi, si ndio?
Kelele ya kila siku ni ile kelele tuliambiwa, kelele ya chura, na iwezi kataza ng'ombe kunywa maji.
Ministry yake ndio kulikuwa na kazi kwa vijana. Na akakaa hapo miaka 5. Siku ya leo ningetaka kumuuliza mzee former Prime Minister, simama na jambo moja tu, wakati kazi ya vijana ilikuwa chini yako ambayo ulifanya.
CORD has raised questions on the viability of the youth empowerment program managed by the National Youth Service. The opposition team claims NYS was the Jubilee Coalition 2017 campaign tool.
Tusiwe na hii upaguzi tunaona. Ati mbunga akisema mimi na support serikali, kesho NYS program iko kwa constituency yake. Yule hasemi haingii. Tuwe na hiyo katika kila constituency 290.
Amid pressure for her suspension, Waiguru maintains she was not a graft suspect and that she had raised alarm and invited the Criminal Investigations Department to probe when she detected fraudulent payments approval of up to 695 million shillings in NYS accounts. 21 Ministry of Devolution and NYS officials have been recommended for prosecution over the multi-million shilling scam. Francis Gashuri for The Big Question.